So now we need to go for what here? Bootstrap list group we need to focus, sir. Sir, what is this Bootstrap list group? You know, when it comes to HTML, in HTML, we have three types of list: unordered list, order list, description list. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes. So list group is nothing but I want to work with unordered list only, or order list, anything you can say. Let me go to the example one. So let me take here. So I am taking unordered list. And here I am taking list of items. So what I'm going to teach you today, JSX, React. Okay, then we will going to teach Oracle. And I want to explain what here, Redux. Okay, these are the things we are going to cover in coming classes. So save this, save this. Now you can see here, it looks like this. It's a normal one, HTML. So what I will do, I will go for what here? Class. So tell me, I want to say this is known as what here? List group. Okay, sir, list group. Any changes? Refresh. It's coming what? Left side. It is coming left side. And then I want to take for everyone, I want to take list group item. List group item. Copy. And see the magic. Refresh. Understood my point here now? So it is looking like a what here? Table format kind of things. But it is a what here? List group. So list group I can take like this. So what happened, you know, when it comes to Bootstrap, what Bootstrap says, if you want to use badges, you can use badges also. Badge if you want to use. Sir, badge means I didn't understand anything. So see this first one I'm telling. Who is the first one we have? JSX. So what I'm going to give you today, I will take span class. What I'm using? Badge. Badge I'm taking what here? Here I'm taking what? New. So might be you don't know what is this badge. Refresh. Might be it is not visible to you, but it is there here. New is there or not? But badge will not be visible directly because it is coming with what color? White color. So what we can do for this new, I want to take what? BG. What I'm taking? Primary. And see this? Refresh. It is telling JSX new. Understood my point here? So I want to take one more here. For React, what I'm telling is latest. For React, I'm telling what here? Latest I'm dealing. Oracle, I will say advanced. Oracle, I will say what here? Advanced. And Redux, I will say intermediate. I will say what here? Intermediate. Intermediate means what here? Not tough, not advanced. Not basics, not advanced. Otherwise, if you don't want to go with intermediate, you can go for what here? Basic. So you can change the colors if you want. Primary, info, warning, success. Yeah, anything we can take. So this is known as what here? Badges. Understood my point here? No? So this is known as which one? Bootstrap badge. Assume that. Today, you'll open your Gmail ID. So when you open Gmail ID, you can see primary. Yes or no, tell me. Primary, updates, promotion, social. Like this we will get, and they will give you right side how many mails you receive or not. So that is what? Badge. So new, you can give numbers also if you want. But I'm not giving numbers, I'm just giving the strings only to understand how it is working. So I hope you people got an idea of working of Bootstrap badge. So now I will go to the what here example 3. In example 3, I want to change the what here colors also. Yes, we can change the colors. We can say list group item, list group, yes, item, list group item. Okay. So guys, now focus here. So now what I'm going to give you now, I want to take different color because here colors are not coming. So what we can do, we can remove these badges. We don't need any badge. Remove this badge. If you want to take number, we can take numbers also, but I'm not taking. Remove this. Remove badge. Remove badge. So now I'm giving list group item. What I'm using? Primary. List group item what here? Primary. Refresh. Okay. Tell me what is the next one? We can take different color. Let's say primary na. Info. Success. Okay. Warning. Warning. So see here. Like this. So our wish case, in which color you want, you can take, then that color you can display badges and everything we can do. Just I'm showing you. These are the ways. I mean, these are the ways are there to use the what here? Bootstrap. Understood my point here now? So tell me, what are the things we have covered till now? Till now, we covered the first topic we covered. Bootstrap alerts. Very good. Next, Bootstrap buttons. Bootstrap button groups. Button groups. Bootstrap glypicons. Glypicons. Bootstrap pagination. Very good. Bootstrap progress bar. Very good. Progress bar. Next is what?
Bootstrap list group.
And even I told you about what your Bootstrap what? Badge. There only we have seen the badge. Yes. So badge we can display anywhere, sir. Don't think that badge only we can display in the list group. If you want to display on buttons, you can display on buttons also. For example, notification. See this, I am creating one simple example to you people. Only to demonstrate this example. I am taking one button. Let's say this button is nothing but notification. And I am taking this class as what here? btn primary. Okay, sir, I got notification. But how many notification we don't have? So that's the reason I will go for what here? Span class What I'm giving? Badge. So notification means I am telling I got 10 notifications. Save this. Refresh. Understood my point? Again, I will say here, BG, what I'm giving? Light. Refresh. But when you take BG light, it's not coming that one. I will say what here? Text. What I will use? Light. Sorry, dark. Otherwise, you can go for what here? Primary. Understood my point? So how many notifications we got? 10 notifications. So like this we can take. Background becomes what here? Light. Text I'm telling becomes what? Primary. So badge we can take anything else. So just only to demonstrate you people like in how many ways we can use Bootstrap means these are the different ways are there. So badge you can take anything. This example if you want to add, you can add as a Bootstrap badge. I will add it here. This is example of what here? Bootstrap badge. But one more thing is I want to tell you, sir. Sir, please understand when it comes to Bootstrap 4, guys, when it comes to Bootstrap 4, Bootstrap 4 support Jumbotron. What it supports? Jumbotron. But we don't have any Jumbotron in Bootstrap 5. It is removed. In Bootstrap 4, we have wall. But we don't have any wall here. So these are the some concepts removed from the what? HTML5. Might be when you are searching in the Google, might be you saw Jumbotron, might be you saw wall. So don't get confused that array, sir did not teach us. Array, it was a part of Bootstrap 4, but not a part of Bootstrap 5. You can check in the documentation. So your Bootstrap documentation will not give you any Jumbotron to you. Understood my point here now? So that time what we need to do, if you want to use Jumbotron, so you need to remove this one. You need to remove this property. What you took here? 5.3. Instead of 5.3, you need to take what? 4.x. 4 point some change. 4.x property we need to use. Then that Jumbotron will work. Understood my point here now? Bootstrap 5 means only Bootstrap 5 classes will work. Bootstrap 4 classes will not work. Understood my point here now? Everyone understood till here? Online people got an idea?
Yes, sir.